Hi, this is Darla with Keller Williams Diamond Partners out of Olathe, Kansas. I'm featuring this house that has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and it's sitting on a little over 3 acres. Talk about your country retreat. It is new floors, new windows, new paint. You've got to see it for yourself. The address is 1240 Northwest 90th Road in Holden, Missouri. If you would like your own private showing, please feel free to give me a call at 913-213-9133, or you can send me an email, dmabry@kw.com.